Welcome to Target Circle Week. Let's go in store and I'll show you some of the deals from July 7th through July 13th. The Fit Crunch protein bars are on sale for 20% off, so they're $5.59 and you can get $2.50 back on Ibotta, making it $3.10, and there's 16 grams of protein in each bar, and you can do this up to 3 times. We don't see sales on this product that often. The Liquid IV is 20% off. So these packages are $11.99. There's a $1.50 coupon in the app. And then there's also a $1.50 coupon on the sugar-free. So there's 2 coupons you can use. You can get one regular and one sugar-free for $10.49. So I've already submitted for this deal and it works. You get 4 of these travel-sized Clorox wipes for $3.96. And you'll get $6 back on Swagbucks. Leaving it to be a $2.04 moneymaker. So you submit for 2 rebates. The next deal is the spend $50, get a $15 gift card. First, I'll show you what I did, and then I'll show you a few more items that you could interchange with some of the items that I purchased. So the first product I wanted was a Clorox wipes. There's 3 containers. And I got 4 of these. So they're $7.39 each. $29.56 was the total. And then I got $12 back on Swagbucks, leaving it to be $17.56. The next item I got was the Easy Off Oven Cleaner. And we don't see deals on these very often. So they're $4.99. I got 2 of those, $9.98. And each one gives you back $2 on Ibotta, so I got $4 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $5.98. Then I got the Clorox toilet wand refills. They were $6.99. I got 2 of them, so $13.98. And then I got $5 back on Swagbucks for buying 2, leaving it to be $8.98, or about $4.50 each. And this counts towards the $15 gift card. And the last item I got was the All Free and Clear. I would have gotten the Persil because there's a $3 in-app coupon and there's $3 in Ibotta, but my store didn't have it. So I've got the All for $12.99 and got $3.50 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $9.49, and it's the All Free and Clear. Make sure you scan your items in both apps. So here are the items that you need to do to at least hit $50. The Clorox toilet cleaners for $8.98 after coupons and rebates. The Clorox wipes, $17.56 after coupons and rebates. And then the Easy Off Oven Cleaner for $5.98 after coupons and rebates. That totals $53.52. You get $21 back, leaving it to be $32.52. And then you get a $15 gift card to Target, leaving it to be $17.52 after all the gift cards, rebates, and coupons. That ends up being a 67% savings. Now you can go ahead and mix and match the items that you want that work best for you. I wanted to mention this in case you wanted to do the spend $50, get a $15 gift card another time or a different way. We don't get many rebates back on the Bona products, so if you wanted to get a mop and a refill, it ends up being $54.98. You get $8 back on Ibotta, and then the $15 Target gift card will bring it down to $31.98. So it's like buying the mop and getting that large Bona solution for free. Here's another deal idea, and there are a lot more wipes in these containers. 2 for $5.59, which is $11.18, and then you get $2.75 back on Swagbucks if you buy 2, leaving it to be $8.43 or $4.20 each. So this is a good ice cream deal. The Oreo bars are buy one, get one 50% off. So if you buy 2, it's $8.08. You get $1.50 back on each on Ibotta, so $3, leaving it to be $5.08 for both packages. So you can get a good deal on the Barilla Pesto. It is $3.89, and then there's a $1.50 Target Circle coupon. You can also submit to Ibotta for $1.50, making this 89 cents. And then on Swagbucks is another $1.50 if you want to go ahead and submit there as well, if Swagbucks allows it. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you found some ways to save at Target and you're able to get some of these items and save significant amount of money on your everyday household items. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can know when I post more videos and you can take advantage of the deals. Thank you and have a good day.